Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Bagus Setiawan channel, which is electronic and technology channel. So this time I wanna share how to repair the electric fans. First, let's try to turn on the electric fans, and then we set up the switch for running the electric fans, but we can see that the propeller of electric fans is not rotated. We have to help with our hand, and then it can rotate normally. If we setting the switching in the first one, it's mean number 3 of switch, the electric fan propeller can rotate normally. But if we change the switch into the low one, so the propeller of electric fan will be stopped. So without further ado, let we try to fix it. First, open the cover of electric fan with the screwdriver, and then turn right the propeller stopper to take off. Then pull forward the propeller to release. Then turn left back cover stopper. And then open the cover latch. Don't forget to take off the button swing first. Take off the dynamo back cover. Take off front cover screw. Now we can see inside the electric fans consists of a dynamo. First, we have to check the capacitor capacity, and it's showing 1.5 microfarad. We're using the capacitance meter, and we put on 2 microfarad and check the value of capacitor. Now we can see that there is a different value of capacitor capacity. It should be the tool showing a same number with the capacitor. So it means that this capacitor was broken. Let us compare the old ones with the new ones. This is the original of capacitor. Now we can see that the value or capacity of capacitor is 1.5 microfarad, but the tool showing is just 0.6 microfarad. It means that this capacitor was broken. Now the new ones. The capacity or value of capacitor is 1.2 microfarad. Now you can see the tools, showing that a similar value or similar capacity with the item, with the capacitor. It means that this capacitor was broke and this capacitor is a good one. After we replace the old one with the new ones, let's try to turn on electric fans and we'll see the result. Now the electric fan rotates fastly and properly. So the conclusion is the main problem is because the capacitor of electric fan was broken and the value or capacity of capacitor is changed. That's why the impact is make the electric fan cannot rotate normally or soundly. So I think that's all. I wish that this can help you how to repair the electric fans. Don't forget to like and subscribe and see you in the next times.